After the big defeat and the failed house lifting in the last video, here's a quick walkthrough as the cabin is dismantled. The forest machine we use for this is a Rotney Rapid Diesel 200 horsepower 6-wheel drive. Before we begin the dismantling process, each log is marked with a letter indicating which wall it belongs to and a number for its position in the wall. This is done to facilitate easier reassembly at a later time. We start by lifting off the old tar roof. The brute force of the machine made me uneasy. It didn't belong here, but I had no other choice. Several of the house's roof rafters were rotten due to a leaking roof, so in hindsight, it would have been wiser to dismantle the house right away instead of trying to lift it and then rebuild it from scratch. However, it pains me to see this, and I promise to rebuild it again. Next, we start working on dismantling the walls. Unfortunately, many of the logs were stuck together after the attempt to lift the house. I didn't dare to remove these due to the risk of collapse. Everything was over in 3 hours, and now a cleanup job awaited me. What remains now is a broken stone foundation, but I will address that in the next video. See you next time, Chris.